Getting girls is easy, actually. Yes, you heard that right. Stick around, and I'll show you how simple it can be with the right mindset, genuine approach, and a few practical tips. I've spent years studying and understanding what truly works when it comes to building connections and attracting the right people into your life. I'm here to share some of my best insights with you. In this video, I'll break down the simple yet powerful strategies that make getting girls easy and enjoyable. You'll walk away with practical, actionable tips that you can start using right away to improve your confidence, authenticity, and social interactions. So, let's dive in and transform your approach to dating. Mindset is key. First things first, let's talk about mindset. Having the right mindset is the foundation for everything else. If you believe that getting girls is difficult or that you're not good enough, that belief will manifest in your actions and interactions. On the other hand, if you adopt a positive mindset and believe in your worth, you'll naturally exude confidence, which is incredibly attractive. Confidence isn't about being the loudest person in the room, it's about being comfortable in your own skin and believing in your value. When you truly believe in yourself, it shows. You stand taller, speak more clearly, and your interactions are more genuine. Let me share a quick personal story. Back in college, I was quite shy and always doubted myself when it came to talking to girls. One day, I decided to change my mindset. Instead of focusing on my perceived flaws, I started to acknowledge my strengths and what I had to offer. I practiced self-affirmations and reminded myself daily of my worth. It wasn't long before I noticed a significant change. I felt more at ease in social situations, and people, including girls, started to respond to me more positively. This shift in mindset made all the difference. Remember, the way you perceive yourself is how others will perceive you. Cultivate a positive mindset, believe in yourself, and watch how it transforms your interactions. Be genuine and authentic. Next up, let's talk about the power of being genuine and authentic. In a world where so many people try to be someone they're not, authenticity stands out. Being yourself is crucial because it's exhausting to maintain a facade, and sooner or later, the real you will come through. When you're authentic, you attract people who genuinely appreciate you for who you are, and that includes girls. Authenticity fosters genuine connections. When you're honest and open, it encourages others to be the same. This leads to more meaningful conversations and stronger relationships. Pretending to be someone you're not might get you attention in the short term, but it's the real you that people will want to stick around for. So, how can you be more authentic in your conversations and interactions? First, be honest about your interests and opinions. Don't say you love something just because you think it will impress someone. Share your true passions and listen to others share theirs. Secondly, embrace your quirks and imperfections. These unique traits make you who you are and can be very endearing. Another tip is to focus on the conversation at hand rather than worrying about what the other person thinks of you. Being present and engaged shows that you're genuinely interested in getting to know them. Lastly, don't be afraid to show vulnerability. Sharing your experiences, including your struggles and failures, can create a deep sense of connection and trust. By being genuine and authentic, you not only feel more comfortable and confident, but you also attract the right kind of people into your life, including the girls who appreciate the real you. Improve your social skills. Now that we've covered mindset and authenticity, let's dive into improving your social skills. Good communication skills are crucial because they help you express yourself clearly and understand others better, making your interactions more engaging and enjoyable. One of the most effective ways to enhance your social skills is through active listening. This means really paying attention to what the other person is saying instead of just waiting for your turn to speak. Show that you're listening by nodding, maintaining eye contact, and giving verbal cues like "I see" or "That's interesting." This not only makes the other person feel valued, but also helps you respond more thoughtfully. Another key aspect is asking open-ended questions. These are questions that require more than a yes or no answer and encourage the other person to share more about themselves. For example, instead of asking, "Did you have a good weekend?" you could ask, "What did you do over the weekend?" This invites them to share details and keeps the conversation flowing. Let me share a quick role-play example. Imagine you're at a party and you meet someone new. Instead of the usual small talk, you could start by saying, "I noticed you're into photography. What got you interested in that?" This type of question shows genuine interest and can lead to a deeper conversation. As they respond, practice active listening and follow up with related questions like, "What's your favorite subject to photograph?" or "Have you had any memorable experiences while shooting?" Improving your social skills takes practice, but it's worth the effort. By being an active listener and asking open-ended questions, you make your conversations more engaging and meaningful, which helps you build stronger connections with others, including girls. So start practicing these tips, and you'll see a noticeable improvement in your social interactions. Take care of yourself. Finally, let's talk about the importance of taking care of yourself. Self-care and appearance play a significant role in how you feel about yourself and how others perceive you. When you take the time to groom yourself and dress well, it shows that you respect yourself and care about making a good impression. Basic grooming is the foundation of good self-care. This includes regular haircuts, trimming facial hair, and maintaining clean nails. Good hygiene is also essential. Shower regularly, use deodorant, and keep your breath fresh. These simple habits can make a big difference in how you look and feel. Dressing well doesn't mean you have to wear expensive clothes, but rather, it's about finding a style that suits you and makes you feel confident. Wear clothes that fit well and are appropriate for the occasion. Pay attention to the details, like ironing your clothes and choosing complementary colors. Beyond grooming and dressing, living a healthy lifestyle has a profound impact on your confidence and attractiveness. Eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep contribute to your overall well-being. When you feel good physically, it boosts your confidence, which in turn makes you more attractive to others. Let me give you a personal example. I used to neglect my appearance and health, thinking it didn't matter much. But once I started paying attention to my grooming, dressing better, and living a healthier lifestyle, I noticed a significant change. Not only did I feel more confident, but people also responded to me more positively. This wasn't just about looking good, it was about feeling good and projecting that confidence to the world. Remember, taking care of yourself is not just about vanity. It's about showing respect for yourself and presenting the best version of you to the world. By maintaining good grooming habits, dressing well, and living a healthy lifestyle, you'll not only feel better but also become more attractive to others, including girls. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, comment below with your own tips or experiences, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into advanced conversation techniques to keep any interaction flowing smoothly. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.